Beauty Biz Flight Path, step by step, a guide to achieving financial freedom. Are you struggling with growing your permanent makeup business? You pictured yourself charging $2,000 for a set of brows and finally having the financial freedom to have more time doing the things that you love, right? Well, that was the dream, wasn't it? There's only one catch though. But first, I'm Sheila Bella. Welcome to my channel where I teach beauty bosses just like you how to make bank in their salons, studios, and online. As someone who has turned two separate beauty businesses into multiple seven-figure machines, I have the tools that you need to help you do the same thing, and I'm here to share it with you today. If you haven't liked or subscribed to this channel, you're going to want to do that because I have a serious tendency to help women make more money. It's what I do best. So if you're into that, subscribe to this channel and never miss another video again. You took the training, you got certified, but now you're struggling with how to grow your business. How do you get your business from your first certification to becoming a six-figure PMU artist? What steps should you take to get started? So first, you have to realize that every business ever created started from nothing, and every successful entrepreneur has been in your shoes. If you're creating something, if your dream is to build a solid and successful beauty business, there are no shortcuts. You'll have no choice but to go at your own pace. Forcing the next phase, trying to rush your journey will not only rob you of your knowledge, it will add stress and uncertainty, compounding the feeling of being stuck. And don't worry about where everybody else is in their business. Taking struggling beautypreneurs to 6 and 7 figures is what I do best, teaching my indisputable financial freedom flight path. And this is what I'm most passionate about because no matter what stage of your career, growing 6 figures, 7 figures, it is impossible without a clear plan. Have you ever been a passenger on a plane? I know what you're thinking. What does this have to do with scaling a beauty business? Hear me out. So I'm going to break down my financial freedom flight path so you can pinpoint exactly what you should be focusing on based on where you are in your business. Financial freedom flight path, stage 1. You bought your ticket? It's time to check in. Congratulations, welcome to PMU. Your journey begins here. You've just finished your certification, but starting your business and entrepreneurship is hard, especially if you don't know where to begin. Just like preparing for a flight, there are certain steps that you need to take before booking your first client. Things like applying and setting up your legal paperwork, registering your business correctly, finding a suitable space to work, and health inspections. Building a solid foundation in the beginning stages of your business is essential to avoid future problems. If this is where you are in business, here's what you should be focusing on. To-do checklist. Set up business legally with proper inspections and licensing. Hire appropriate professionals if needed, like an accountant, lawyer, coach. Have proper insurance in place. Don't skip this step. Set up your business bank account, properly classify and register your business federally and municipally. If you aren't sure about the requirements for your state, here's a resource to get you started. So simply click on your state's name and it will take you to your state's health board. Stage 2, boarding the plane. After making sure all legal paperwork is in place, you're now ready to book clients and start earning money. But wait, no one knows about you. You know you need to practice, but have no one to practice on because you barely have experience. Or maybe you've managed to scrounge up a few models, but can't get anyone to pay full price. Or maybe you even have a space, but you're using your savings to pay rent. OMG, now what? You need exposure stat. And this is the hardest phase of your career. Most artists quit at this point because the only focus is to get eyes on your new business, build your portfolio, establish a repeatable referral system, establishing your brand voice, learning how to attract your ideal client, and using your own network. You need to create referral systems, and consistent marketing are essential elements, especially at this point. Here's what you should be focusing on if you're in this phase of growing your business. To-do checklist. Book models and practice, practice, practice. Learn content creation. Gain exposure through collaboration. Establish a repeatable referral system. Learn and practice organic sales. Implement systems for client generation and client retention. I know it can be hard to build that client list with minimal experience, so make sure you download my top 10 smartest ways to get new clients freebie, where I share surefire ways to get eyes on your business. Just text me the words new clients to 310-388-4588 and I will text you back a link to download. Stage 3, you are cruising. This is huge. You're officially in the beauty biz game. Your marketing strategy is locked and loaded and all the systems are a go, except you've worked so hard at getting eyes on your business. Your problem now is being too booked out. You're tied to clients all day. You're overworked and underpaid. Did you ever think this would become a problem when you first started out? This stage for a solopreneur can be exhausting. You spend your days trading your time for money with no way of expanding your availability. You're limited with the amount of hours you can spend with clients. Hello, burnout. Working smarter, not harder, is the goal at this stage. Imagine a life where you're working fewer hours while earning more. At this point, team expansion is the path. It's the only path to reach scalability and freedom of time. You got this. You got this. Yeah. By the way, did you know that I offer free beauty business advice through text message? All you need to do is text me your question and tell me that you found me on YouTube to 310-388-4588. I am so happy to help. You heard me. It's time to hire. Hiring a team can be intimidating, especially since you've fallen into your own systems of doing things the way only you can. So many questions like, who do you hire first? How much do you pay them? What tax laws are involved? 1099 or W-2? Better yet, what are those? Can I lead a successful team? You might be wondering if you could actually lead a successful team. And the answer to that is you absolutely can. When you build a solid foundation for your business, it can withstand any storm. Team building is the next step if you want to scale and free up some time while earning more. If you are tied to clients all day and you're capped out with how much you can earn, here's what you should do next. To-do checklist: hire a team. Develop systems to streamline service fulfillment. Train your team to master organic sales and marketing. Clarify offer, value, and re-examine pricing. Consistent content marketing, client retention, and referral system setups. If you're an overbooked artist, I want you to listen to this podcast episode where I go into detail about why being booked out can be bad for business. In this episode, I will break down why being booked out can be really bad for business. Just click on the link in the description box. Super important. Stage 4, business class. If your team is well trained and performing services, your studio is booming with clients, but there still might be obstacles preventing you from growing your business to its fullest potential. With hiring a new team, problems may arise that affect business growth, still holding you back from achieving your goals. So you got to sharpen your leadership skills at this point to ensure your entire team is moving in the same direction. High-level problems require high-level solutions and thinking. It's time to level up your management game. From here, leadership development is the heartbeat of your beauty business. The systems and strategies you implement directly impact your team's performance and your bottom line. So if you're ready to become the CEO that your business and your team needs, here are your action steps to get there. To-do checklist: team expansion, free up your time. Streamline client fulfillment and all protocols. Implement solution-based problem solving. Develop strategic thinking and foresight, supporting your team in their individual growth. Build authority through educational content marketing. Build your offer. Start with one project. For example, a class, whether online or in person or a beta course. Clarify your prices through validating the high-ticket transformation to help you facilitate. Build marketing materials for your offer, webinar, landing page, lead generators, and more. Learn and practice sales. Find and train your team. Next, collab. If you're feeling lost when it comes to hiring your first team member or struggling with getting your team moving in the same direction, click to access your free hiring guide. Just go to sheilabella.com/hiring guide. All right, stage 5. We're getting better. First class. Next level. You made it. Busy studio? Check. Team of talented and loyal artists who are booked and busy? Check. Bomb beauty boss leading the way? Check. Everything seems to be running smoothly, but you aren't done setting those goals. Time to raise the bar even more. Very few get to this point. Those who do often struggle with connecting with others who have walked the same journey, who truly understand how to scale a beauty business. You've officially checked off every goal up until this point. The next step is to create your ultimate rich life. I am your PMU training genie. Sold out trainings. Dream team. Industry leader. And I have a gift for you. It's a completely complimentary 60-minute strategy call for leaders just like you. To apply, all you need to do is go to sheilabella.com/apply or click the link in the description box. Now, you want to take your business even further and maybe host an event, offer online courses and training, develop your product, become a speaker, expand to multiple locations, start a podcast. The possibilities are endless, and this is where you think bigger than ever. You've imagined a life of financial freedom. It's time to create the legacy you've pictured from the beginning. Your rich life is only a few steps away. I built 2 7-figure businesses and have taught hundreds of women to do the same through my Pretty Rich Bosses mentorship program. Women just like you who, at every stage of their business, have followed the same strategies that got me my first class ticket as a beautypreneur. If you're at this stage of your business growth, you should be focusing on the following. To-do checklist. Learn to solve high-level problems with high-level thinking. Clarify your next-level goals. Assess your team leadership structure. Customize your business strategy towards the direction you would like to grow. Every stage of business has its challenges, but the common denominator for each stage, even for all of you first-class ticket holders, you must believe in yourself. Whenever you question yourself, whenever you feel tested, I want you to listen to this podcast episode. I'm going to put the link in the description box. It's titled, Don't Listen to This Unless You Want to Be a Millionaire. And then I want you to book a free strategy call with one of my advisors. My goal is to help as many women as possible through my mentorship program, Pretty Rich Bosses. It equips beautypreneurs just like you with all of the tools they need to scale their businesses. There is room within the program for beautypreneurs at all stages of business. Whether you're barely starting under 100K or generating multiple 7 figures, we will help you get to the next level because we're all about helping artists dominate their niche and exponentially grow their beauty businesses while also enjoying the process. We do this by inserting you into our success ecosystem and giving you our proven booked and busy blueprint, where you have an assigned qualified power coach 24/7 support and access to 100 private behind the velvet rope pre-recorded sessions, daily live money-making sessions, an exclusive support community with other successful beauty biz owners, the opportunity to connect with any of our extensive team of experienced coaches and sales experts, and bi-weekly hot seat coaching with me. We don't believe in quick fixes, and we don't believe in easy. We believe in actionable steps and hard work to grow your business. That means knowing how to target your ideal client, creating foolproof lead generation systems, learning how to convert leads, building a repeatable sales process, and scaling. It's easy to feel overwhelmed and alone in your entrepreneurial journey. With Pretty Rich Bosses, you're never alone. Guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure you check out this video, how I built a multi-million-dollar beauty business with this one tip. I'll see you in that one.